Okay guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's keeping well, doing the best. So I'm tying up a wee selection of flies, and this is one of them. This is going to be the Claret Octopus Booby. I'm going to show you how to put it together. The hook and device, Kamasan B175 and size 10 thread, uni thread 801 black. Now you can tie these down to a size 12. So just going to work the thread back. Just basically where I'm starting here, guys, is where I sort of want my body to end, and then the body hackle, because then with two further hackles at the front, and then obviously the booby eyes. So just work that down. Now the tail, this is about 8 strands of Glow Bright Floss number 11. So just offer that up over the back, come around with a pinching loop. Don't let go of the tail, just keep hold of it. Take another couple of turns, and then just take a wee turn in underneath, just to lock the tail in. Come in, trim away the waist, and then the length of the tail. It's really up to yourself. I always use see the grooves in the jaws on this McLachlan vise. That's where so if I want to cut a long tail, I will cut it there. But I usually just come in and use the middle point of the grooves for the length of the tail. Give yourself some sort of measurement if you like. Now there's 2 ribs on the fly. The first rib that we're putting on here, this is a number 27 fine yards silver wire, and that's more to hold the body hackle. And the actual rib for the body then is an Opal Mirage tinsel. Now you could use the Opal Mirage tinsel to hold the body hackle, and it will last a few fish, but eventually the Mirage will just disintegrate just because it's a weak material. Now just come up to that point. I've come up in close touching turns because I want to make sure that everything's well secured, and then you can come back and open turns with your thread. Now the dubbing that I'm using, this is the dark claret from the traditional Irish dubbing range. And if you're tying or dressing Irish flies, you can't really look past this, guys. It's all the right colour combinations and the colours that Mr. Phillips provides. So just going to trim that away. Then we'll come up with our Opal Mirage, and I'm looking about 4 turns up the body to there. Follow this around with a thread. Couple of nice turns to catch that in. Trim away the waist. Now the body hackle, this is just a domestic cock cape. So you want a nice, it is a pulling fly, this, meaning it's a nice wet. So just clear away the stem. Offer this up to the hook. Catch it in, trim away the waist. And then we're going to palmer. So I like to take 2 turns at the shoulder of the body, and then I can get 3 or 4 turns down the body, and I'm just coming in between the Opal Mirage tinsel there. Then come round with your wire, catch your hackle in, and just try and follow up the Opal Mirage tinsel. It's not critical, that's just for tidiness. Just come in, sweep everything back, bring the wire up in front, catch it in, bend and break away. You've cut it in tight enough, you should be able to break that off. And then just come back again to there. Now at this point you can come in, bring out some of the dubbing until the dressing. Now the next tackle, this is lacewing. So when you have a badger cape, that's the male bird. This is the female bird. You are tying an octopus style fly, so you do want the hackles fairly long, would be my view. So we're just going to catch this in with a couple of 2 or 3 turns. Then you come back, I'll just see if I can show you this. Then you come back, folding the tip back on itself and working the thread back up. And that's give you the base there. You can see the base of thread here, just here. That's give you your base to wind your hackle onto. I'm probably looking 2 turns of this. So that's 1, 2. Just follow it around with your thread. Catch it in nice and tight. Break away the stem of the hackle. Now what I'm going to do here is just put a base of thread down to the eye and come back up. Now we're looking at the business. Then front hackle. This is a golden pheasant breast feather dyed red. So just take away all the rubbish from the bottom. The same again, just check your length, just slightly longer than the lace wing. Stroke it back, offer this up, 3 turns, fold back the tip. I do like to take the tip of the hackles out, guys. Some people like to leave those in. Just take it out. It's not critical. And then just come round. Now, this might want to twist on you like that. So just bring it back. All you're doing is just trying to keep the stem of the hackle as straight as you can. Same again, I'm only going to look 2 turns of this. Just keep stroking it back. You might get the odd wee fibre that wants to come forward. We'll sort that out in a second. So there, clear space. Don't want to get too much bulk here now. Catch that in. Work on the thread down to the eye. And break away the stem. If you're going to break away stuff, always keep your thread nice and tight. Come in and sweep everything back. Now, the way I like to tie my boobies is I'm going to put a very small head on this, because the first thing that's going to go on this fly is going to be the foam at the front. So if you just try and build a very small head on the fly, then once the foam eye goes, you've still got a nice wee octopus pattern. Now this is a red Booby Eyes, you can see. So I just come in, catch it. Now we like a wax, bring the thread to the eye of the hook again, and we're just going to work that up, building up the head, working it round. At this point, just hold the eyes, come in with the turn behind the eye of the hook. Just trying to show you this. Turn at the back of the eye, another turn in front of the eye of the hook, and then back round this way again. And then just nice tight thread turns and underneath the eye. And then come straight in with your whip finishing tool. Put in a whip finish, put the thread tight, trim away your tang thread, and then come in, have a wee look, make sure that the eye is all clean, which it is, and then just a very, very small amount. You don't need too much. Just a wee touch of super glue in underneath, and then just make sure your eye of the hook is clean. And there you go, guys. That's the Claret Octopus Booby. So hopefully you've got something from that, guys. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. This one here is going to go in with this wee selection of flies here. So I think I have a, just check. Yeah, I think I have another octopus booby to do, which is more based along the lines of the Melvin octopus. So I'll show you how to put that together too. Thanks, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.